This video is to explain this cabinet right here, which is an upper cabinet for a customer of Dennis's in the Sterling office. And it's odd enough that I believe it would really help to have this video to show what it is. These are the doors that are closed, and they need to be a bifold door so that when they're open with Bloom hinges, that about 175-degree hinges, because these doors really need to fall out of the way when they're open. And this is what's going on here. This is a mat cutting shelf right here, and the purpose is the lady is an artist, and she needs to cut her mats using this this mat cutter, and Dennis is going to send the mat cutter down, so you'll understand that. There's the mat cutter right there, and there's going to be so much force going down on this when she's operating it, that we need this leg right here to hold it up. And Dennis and I thought that some sort of piano hinge or something up here for that leg to swing on, and the leg needs some sort of adjustable feet down here, because the countertop is 42 inches, but who knows exactly how tall that's going to be once it's installed. Could vary just a little bit with shimming. So we felt that this needs to be about 1.5 inches deep here, and the reason is the mat cutter is 15/16 of an inch, and so, oops, wrong one. There it is. I had made this 1 inch deep so that then the mat cutter could be shimmed up a little bit to when it's in there, it's flush with the shelf. And I'd ease the corners off here so that she can lean over it a little bit more easily to be able to slide this mat cutter across. But she needs as much working space here as possible, and then all this needs to be flush across the top, because she'll slide her mats back and forth this way. So that's the reason the doors really need to get out of the way. I had these sides as 3 inches, and the reason for that is the hinge, which is really a Murphy bed hinge, is quite an elaborate contraption. And I don't have that drawn in here now, but I do have the correct dimensions for where the hinge pivots from. So now let me shut these doors off here. Okay, and go out, get you a side view so you can see how the hinge operates. That's top view. There we go, right there. Alright, that's the side view of the shelf. And the hinge point is 12.5 inches out from the back of the cabinet, and I have it up at 3 3/8. So it needs to be a little higher for this point to clear the bottom as it's opened. Now let me rotate that for you and show you. Okay, that's the pivot point right there. Okay, so now see how it's rotated. We need to be high enough so that back will clear the bottom, like that. Okay, now let me get back to the perspective view here and see if I've explained it all. Okay, that is the unit as it will when it's done, like that. Okay, I think all the rest of the dimensions will be in 2D shop drawings that we'll send along to you. But that is the unit, and it's a little odd, so I hope this has helped.